Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel, Fashion Girly Hacks. How are you? I hope you are fine and doing well. Good health and very happiness. And you have a lot of fun in your life. Friend, this is me Asya, and today I'll show you in this video very attractive and beautiful latest ideas of highlights in short hair. With beautiful haircut. Attractive ideas of hairstyling. Many much more beautiful ideas of highlights in short hair with beautiful attractive hairstyling for girls and women you see in this video. I hope you like it. First of all, I'll talk about highlights. Ideas, highlights, full hair. Highlights and some ideas, foil highlights. Only bang highlights. Section front ear to ear highlights. So attractive ideas of base color with highlights. Blonde base color and so attractive cute ideas of highlights color in blonde, lightly blonde, dark blonde, ash blonde and gold blonde, and very beautiful ideas of his styling. Here his style, wavy curly hairstyling. Spiky hairstyle, beautiful spike with undercut. See hairstyle. So beautiful ideas of haircut in short hair. Cut, bob haircut. Shaggy haircut, wedge haircut. Type of cut, some ideas layered, deep layered, step, undercut, choppy haircut, notching haircut, cropped haircut. So beautiful overall collection. I hope you like it. If you like it, so try this, and if you try it, I hope you look so nice, very stylish. You look too gorgeous. I hope you must try it. If you're new on my channel, I request you please do subscribe my channel, like my video, share my video with your friends, family members and others, and please fully support me, support my channel. My channel can't grow without your support, your help, so I hope you do this and share it your all over social media accounts. So thank you so much for watching my video on my channel. See you soon. I'll write back. with new collection, new ideas. Take care of yourself and take care of your loved ones and those around you. I hope you do it. Bye bye.